Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest and greatest products. Today, we're diving into the world of fishing with a tool that's essential for any angler: the Tyer Fast Fishing Line Knot Tyer. If you're tired of struggling with tying knots or worrying about the strength of your connections, then you're in luck, because the Tyer Fast Knot Tyer is here to make your fishing experience smoother and more enjoyable than ever before. Let's jump right into why this little tool is a game changer. First off, what sets the Tyer Fast Knot Tyer apart is its simplicity and efficiency. Made of one-piece stainless steel, this tool allows you to tie secure knots in a matter of seconds, giving you more time to focus on what really matters: catching fish. Whether you're tying nail knots, needle nail knots, or any other variety, the Tyer Fast Knot Tyer has got you covered. Plus, unlike other knots that rely on just one turn to secure the line, the nail knot ensures maximum strength and security because the tag end is secured by all turns of the knot. But wait, there's more. Not only does the Tyer Fast Knot Tyer make tying knots a breeze, but it also comes with full video instructions to ensure that you can master its use in no time. So whether you're a seasoned angler or just starting out, you'll be tying knots like a pro in no time. But don't just take my word for it. Customers rave about the quality, performance, and ease of use of the Tyer Fast Knot Tyer. From securing hooks to tying on lures, this tool delivers time and time again. So if you're ready to take your fishing game to the next level, look no further than the Tyer Fast Fishing Line Knot Tyer. Trust me, once you try it, you'll wonder how you ever fished without it. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and until next time, tight lines and happy fishing.